What's up, people? In this video, I'll be introducing you to a very interesting AI tool called Playground.ai, or you can say Playground.com. Now, what does it do for you? It helps you get more creative, get more skillful. It also supplies you with myriads of ideas as you go around or go about your creativity, right? Of course, you already know how to use your Canva, you know how to use your Photoshop, but this time around, get acquainted with this AI tool called Playground.ai. And if you need to know how to use, or if you care to know how to use it, watch
links. Just come here and click on this, right? So I already have it. I've already signed up from my own end, right? So of course, when you have it on your end, you have to sign up. The process is quite easy. So in this, let me just show you a quick example. Right? In this case, you have the social media post, right? You have, let's just select the common post, and so we have this. We have Make America Great Again. So of course, the American elections, presidential elections are coming up. So let's say we want to change this. So you can see when you come down here, you see something like what do you want to change, right? So you have several options. Do you want to change the text, right? Or do you want to replace? Let's just use change text. So it says change text. So you can see the text on this canvas. It says make America great again. So let's say we want to right? And click on create. Click on create. So let's see what this gives to us. While we are waiting for that, let's come to this other template. Click on this. Good morning is sponsored by coffee. Let's click on this and say change text to let's go back to this to see what we have. You can see it has changed to make Nigeria great again. To carry out this task or not yet. So you can see it has changed this to good morning, NTV. How are you? Okay, that's incomplete. So the picture to a black man. Can you see what he just did? So this also helps us see that AI or these AI tools as the day goes by, they get more and more. Actually, deep learning will teach you that machine learning and these AI tools are actually mimicries of the original human intelligence. So what they do is they basically mimic human intelligence, and it's not a casting tool. So AI keeps learning from the traits that it can actually read and understand from human. So basically copy. So in this case, what was able to do was able to change the natural picture into a black man's picture, not exactly Bola. When you're trying to create a design, I think this is what's working with, right? You can just come here and export picture download, right? So come there because it is minus how are you so I think it also spotted that. So let's just change this to how are you. Then the space, because of the way the design, the structure of the design, the space will not take that how are you to. It's smart enough to just put the body text there. So let's help it out. So I believe if you are trying to make a short design, you cannot with this what's working with, in my own opinion. So just click on download and of course download it. You can see that's named as close up of the lamp and let's use text, right? And sharp you're able to get a beautiful design. How are you? Are you feeling? So similarly, you can also come here and export this. If you don't want to export it to also directly share it with any person to address. So I'll call it manual translate as studio.com. Once I click on send, it sends directly to my mail. So that's pretty much all I we have in this video. So stay tuned for much more educative updates like this. Love you guys.
like you just saw in that video, all you need to do is to input the text that you need, the graphics, right? You need the canvas set to communicate to your respectful audience. Just input it and allow the AI to do its thing. Yeah, and you want to stay tuned to this channel as you follow up for much more educative, tech-based content like this. Peace and love.